I'm so sorry, but I went over a little past 15 minutes in my last video. For some reason, I can't record more than 15 minutes. Holy frick. That's humongous. I'm not even close to the middle of the fireworks. This is the beginning. I promise to not do it do it so long. I'm probably going to record the whole thing. I'm sorry if this says July 5th after, because it's only 10:18 and I'm not going to, whoa! That is huge. I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, dang. What the flip? That's a lot of explosions. Oh, yeah. In those shooting guns today, I almost got death. Like, oh my god, it hurt my ears so bad. It's like a flashbang in my, like, ear. And I almost couldn't hear because, like, these pop rocket gigantic things are freaking loud as crap, and they went by my ear when they exploded. So, whoa, it's behind that tree. Okay.
There you go, baby. Sit right there.
Oh,
right there.
Okay. Whoa, what was that?
I hate when it does it in the middle of the night,
Whoa.
Here.
Oh, I think last year, like, there was smiley face ones. It was like a 100 feet high firework explosion. Whoa, holy crap, there's a lot of air. Holy wow. Huh. What was that?
Just cover its ears. Since he has pointy ears, it makes it more louder. I really don't have one. That's fine, actually, like all down there.
Where are you going, Nathan?
Whoa. Doesn't look big to you, but it looks big to me.
Twice. You almost hit him twice. Nathan.
I don't know if you guys can hear the loud noise. Oh, that's super high. Like gigantic flying sparklers. And they explode in the air. I don't know how long be his last. So. Oh, that was right. Oh no. You can even feel the ground shake. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see a lantern up there? Oh my god. Because I do. Those feet up in the air. And you know, what'd be a bad thing. It's like they get louder every single year. Whoa. Those things are bright as crap. Imagine if you're like standing right next to them. Or imagine jumping on a trampoline in the middle of fireworks. That'd be sweet. Oh yeah, and by the way, my cousin like sprained his ankle on the trampoline. He had to go to the hospital today, but he's back for the fireworks, so he's good. It's only 10:25. Dude, if these are farts, like, I would not be surprised. That would be stupid. Holy freaking Jesus, you can see the smoke over from over there. Oh my god. What's a million fireflies? I have no idea, guys. I don't know if I said this in the video. I have no idea if you guys can hear this. You probably can. It's loud. I can hear it clearly. Hurts my ears, kind of. Whoa, you can see. Whoa. What the flip flop?
Nathan.
Guys, I don't know how long these are gonna be. Probably gonna have to make 2 videos of this. Well, I already attempted one, but I got only freaking 15 minutes, 26 seconds. Didn't even know. Whoa. That freaks me out sometimes. I feel like some kind of misfiring. Sorry, it's my head. I can't keep up the machine. Every day, I post a clip. Sorry, it's my head. Wow, 10 minutes in the video, guys.
I hope it doesn't hurt you too bad. Bye, guys. Bye, Kate.
Sorry,
Love
buddy.
you.
Hold on.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
Switch a little bit. Whoa. Whoa, what the frick? Oh. It wasn't misfires. Frick, people probably from Texas can hear this. Guys from Texas, comment down below if you can hear the fireworks. 4th of July.
Just stand right here. Right here.
Which is, you're probably not going to hear them
Hey.
from all the way from
Hey.
freaking Texas.
Over here. No.
11 minutes and 31 seconds. Wow.
Name the worst dog you ever got bit by.
Whoa. Whoa. I feel so bad for my dog right now.
I got bit by Smoke. It's the wolf slash killer dog. No. Like my whole face. My whole mark. I had 2 marks.
Oh yeah, Stella is like, I don't know, I think she's in her crate right now. But she's probably not, but she's probably hiding in the pantry like she did like last night. Because last night, fireworks were being fired off. And crap.
Guys, how many chairs did you bring? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. One blue. Okay.
Oh, these fireworks are hurting my ears. I can even hear chair shaking too. Holy crap. I really want to see the grand finale this year. What was that? Oh my god, that freaked me out. Why am I being so scared? Probably not gonna. What's happening? Oh. Oh yeah, I'm sorry you guys can see. They are still coming.
Oh, it's so cool.
How much percent is my tablet? 31.
Are you enjoying the 4th of July so far, Russell? Probably not because you broke his leg. No. Whatever. Why did you even try to do a flip?
The small one, like small but deadly. They're like going on the street, dang it.
2 at football.
They have to put them on behind the tree.
Oh, this is the finale.